So let's see this bad boy and take off this retro cover. Ooh! Very sexy. Come on. So today we're at Mad Mike's Jet Ski Lake again. I come here an awful lot, but it's with the DI today and I cannot wait. I'm desperate to go on it. I haven't been on it in about 3 weeks, so I'm itching to get on this bad boy. So let's get it in the water.
Don't let it go off the trailer.
So another good ride, and it's getting nearer the end of the season now, so it's getting cold, but I can't help myself. I'm out on the DI right at the end of the year. This ski is just, I can't help it. It's old, but I just love it. It's just got that raw power that you want from a ski. This ski might be old, but this thing goes like an absolute trooper. It's so quick, so nimble. And today, it's been like a mill pond. So I've been able to literally blitz it round, really get into each of the corners and really just give this ski a good run out before the end of the year. Now, all of my skis are in a heated garage anyway, which if you haven't watched my Dream Garage series, watch that one here. Because for me, I know winterization is a key part of jet skis, but as long as you're sort of not leaving full tanks of fuel in skis for extended amounts of time and they are in a good climate controlled environment, you can basically keep your skis going all year, subject to you wanting to ride them in the freezing months of the year. I'm basically shivering now. For me, I hate it here in the UK when it starts to get colder, so I extend out as much as I can with the riding right to the back end of the year, even though it's freezing here in the UK. If you get a dry suit, which is next on my agenda to do, Megan, for Christmas, no, dry suit, and I can ride the ski a little bit longer into the year. But the reality is when you're falling in the water and stuff, you don't really want to be doing that near the back end of the, you don't really want to be doing that at the back end of the year in the UK. Maybe if you're in a nice warm climate, you're going to be riding your ski all year. But for us here in the UK, you can get away with a 5mm suit like this one for so long, and then you have to start thinking about either stop riding for the year or dry suit. So for me, I'm going to invest in a dry suit, and you know, hopefully I can extend my riding out a little bit longer. So we're going to get this bad boy out now, get it onto the trailer. I'm going to get warm, get a nice cup of tea, and that, guys, I think is the best way to start your weekend.